Today I'm going to be unboxing this Rode video mic, and this is my Gorillapod, my tripod bendy thingy. I'm just going to do a quick little unboxing of both these items and see how it turns out. So I think I may have ordered some other stuff on Amazon, but I'm pretty sure this is the one I need. If it's something else, and this is super embarrassing, but sweet. Oh, luckily it is the right thing. Joby. Gorillapod. This thing's freaking sweet. We have the Video Mic Pro shotgun mount or shotgun microphone, and then the Joby Gorillapod Focus and Ball Head X. So this is the one that reads that it should hold the GH4 with no problem. That's why I got this one. What the heck? Instructions. What is this? This is unnecessary cardboard. Cool. This is it. Oh, it is pretty freaking durable. Oh, and I've seen people use it like this. You can just hold it like your selfie cam. It's actually, this thing's pretty light compared to what I thought it would be. It looks so heavy, but it's actually pretty light. It's kind of weird to get used to, like, moving this thing around, but I think I got it. Cool. Let's open this thing now. This is, I don't know if I'm too far away. The Video Mic Pro Rode. I just can't, I don't even know why I do unboxing videos, because I can barely open a freaking box. Nice little plastic, crappy little instructions. Cool. Pretty self-explanatory little mic. It says Rode right there. Rode. So you could plug this right into my phone. Unless you have the iPhone 7, then, well, that's too bad. Thought I needed a battery in this, but I threw the instructions on the ground. I'm just gonna put it on the camera real quick. Oh. Turns out I actually might need the instructions. And these are in French. To remove the battery cover, push up on the indentations and... So I need a battery. Come in. Do you have a 9-volt battery? I thought it would come with a battery, okay? So I can confirm that there's no battery in the box. Let me double check and actually confirm, because I chucked everything around. No battery. Is there anything in this office that has a 9-volt battery? Okay, so I'm going to go buy a 9-volt battery real quick. doing an unboxing of a mic, and I don't even have a battery. So here we go. Learn from my mistakes, people, and buy yourself a 9-volt battery before you buy the mic.
407.
I'm gonna put this in and see if you guys can hear the sound difference now. Okay, the battery's in finally. Now I'm just gonna plug this in to show you guys the difference, and hopefully you can hear a difference in the audio, and then you guys can kind of determine if it's gonna be right for you or not. So it's going from here, and we're plugged in now. Bam, that's the Rode mic. I really don't know if the audio is any different right now, but I hope it is. So I'll probably go take it outside real quick and test it and see what it's like with wind and stuff like that. Alright, well there you have it. This is the Rode mic in the wind going on my electric skateboard. So there's quite a bit of wind, and I don't know how the audio is, but I'll tell you, I really do feel like Casey Neistat right now, which makes me feel so awesome because I love Casey's videos. The Gorillapod is great with the camera on and the mic. Everything's really light. I mean, I'm holding this straight out. My arm is straight out, and my arm's not tired. But I hope you guys can understand the audio pretty well. But bam. Well, there you have it. And of course, I forgot to check the mail, which is the one thing I came out here to do. I hope you guys can tell if the audio is any different or any better. If it is or if it isn't, please comment below. This is my Gorillapod and Rode Video Mic Pro unboxing and messing around with. So, but otherwise, subscribe for more videos, and hope to see you guys later. Thank you.